Good morning, third graders and third grade parents. Today I want to take a moment to talk about proof drawings. This is something that may be in the homework, and you're wondering, what does that mean? It's something we use to help us with multi-digit addition. The first thing you need to know is how we would draw each number. So if a number is in the hundreds place, we would represent it by drawing a square. If the number is in a tens place, we would represent it by drawing a rod. And in the ones place, we draw a small circle or a really small square. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a proof drawing to show how I would add 112 plus 83. For the number 112, I'm going to draw that out first. First, we are going to draw 100 square because there's a 1 in the hundreds place. Then we're going to draw 1 10 stick and 2 ones. So this is how I would draw a representation of 112. Now I'm going to draw a representation of 83. There's no hundreds, so I'm going to start with 8 10 sticks, and then 3 ones. So I'm using proof drawings. I'm drawing out each digit to show how I would add these two numbers together. So first I'm going to count up the ones together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 ones, 8, 9 tens, and 100. So the answer is 195, and we would see that through our proof drawing. We can also double check this by using a carrying strategy. So 3 plus 2 is 5, so we don't have to carry any numbers. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then we drop the 1 down. So that's how we would draw a proof drawing. It does get a little trickier when we start to have to carry numbers. So let's take a peek at 216. I'm going to draw 200 squares, 1 10, and 6 ones. The next number I'm going to draw is 495. I'm going to need to draw 4 hundreds, 9 ones, 9 tens, and then 5 ones. We're going to use our proof drawing to do some grouping. So I'm going to count my ones first. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since I have 10 of them, I'm going to box those out, and I'm going to add a 10 stick over here. Now I see that I have 1 not regrouped, so I'm going to put 1 down here. And then I'm going to count up my 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 of them, so I'm going to group those together. And then I have to draw hundreds because 10 tens equals 100. And I have 1 tens rod left, so I'm going to put the 1 here. And then I'm going to count my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had 7 hundreds, 1 10, and 1 1. So my answer is 711. That's how I would use a proof drawing to solve that. Now we can use the numbers and add those up. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. So I would draw 1 here and carry the 1. 9, 10, 11. Draw the 1 here and carry the 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. 711. So we got the same answer using both strategies. This is the numerical strategy, and then over here we used our proof drawing. This coming week we'll be talking about how to subtract, and we'll be using proof drawings to help us with the subtraction. So to draw out 216, I'm going to draw 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 6 ones. Now we're doing subtraction, so I'm going to use this to subtract 12. So I have to get rid of 2 ones, and I have to get rid of 1 10. So then I can check what I have left. I have 2 hundreds, 0 tens, and 4 ones. We can double check this with the numerical strategy. 6 take away 2 is 4. 1 take away 1 is 0. 2 take away nothing is 2. So we got 204 using both the numerical strategy and the proof drawing. Now we're going to do 524 take away 183. So I'm going to do my proof drawing for 524. I need to draw 5 hundredths, 2 tens, and 4 ones. Now I have to take away 183. I'm going to take away 3 ones. But now I need to take away 8 tens, and I only have 2 tens rods. We know that 100 equals 10 tens. So I'm going to cross off one of my hundreds, and I'm going to add 10 tens. Now I can do 8 take away from this. So and then I also have to take away 100. So what we did is we carried the hundreds over into the tens, and now we're going to add up what we have left from our proof drawings. So I have 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 1 remaining. Now I can use my numerical strategy to check this. 4 take away 3 is 1. I cannot do 2 take away 8, so I'm going to borrow from the neighbor next door. Just like we did in our proof drawing, we're turning this into 4 hundreds, and we're borrowing 10 and adding it here. So now I have 12 tens. 12 take away 8 is 4. 4 take away 1 is 3. We got the same answer using the numerical strategy and proof drawing. I hope this helps give a better understanding what proof drawing is, and I look forward to teaching the subtraction strategy to your students this week. Thank you.